string on it. Put the string over.
Now that you're going to have to deal with this huge tragedy, this human tragedy up on that. I mean, there's so much is on your shoulders now. Well, I do believe
Get another one. Well, we already have one over here, so we'll go over here. Can I have a blue one? Blue. Blue.
You can't reach.
You give me a blue one? No, don't. Blue one. Thank you. Thank you. Where do you want to put it? All right. What color is that?
Red.
Yeah. Can I have an orange one? Very good, sweetheart. Very good. Right here? Okay. Put it right here. What are you looking for? What color, what color is that?
No.
Red, yes. Alright, well, we're pretty red over here, so we're going to go around here. We got to start hiding somewhere. We're not alone. What color
I
is
still
that?
have a couple more in the bag that have to go on the tree.
What color is that?
Good job. Daddy, I put it on the tree by myself.
Oh, this one doesn't have a string. Here, well, thank you.
Leave it go.
Oh, the string. Oh, good. Go ahead, pick that one up.
Good job.
What color is that? Very good. Very good. Pretty spread them out. Why don't you put it over there? Hey. Hey. Over there. Put it over there. Okay.
Can you smile? Smile for Mama. Well, you can't put them all in one spot, baby.
The goal isn't to see how many we can fit. Here, Daddy got it.
I got it.
Can you get me a green one? Kill me, sweetheart.
Give to Daddy.
Here, give to Daddy. What? Oh my God. Oops, yeah, oops. Put it somewhere else, sweetheart. Is he putting it on the tree? No. Here, Daddy will put it up. Can you get a gold one?
Do you know what color gold is?
Yellow?
Yellow? Can you get a yellow? That's not yellow. What color is that? What color is that? Hmm? No, it doesn't open, honey. Thank you. No dump. No, what color is that?
Green.
Very good. Put it over on the side.
No, Mommy.
Yeah, he's shoving them all in the center of the tree. Blue. Very good.
Sweetheart, I don't think we can fit them all on here. We have other stuff we have to put on.
Blue.
Killing me. You're going so much faster than me. Oops. Oh my God, he's getting way back here.
Orange.
Orange. Very good.
Orange.
That's good. Oh, Daddy got it. That's
I
okay.
got
Can you give me a green one?
orange.
Get Daddy green.
Okay, orange works fine. Put it in your spot.
He did, and I heard it clink with another one, so. Yeah, no. Please don't touch Mickey.
Daddy's gonna lift that up.
I'll be
Good job.
orange.
I can't get ahead.
Orange. It's orange.
It's orange, yeah.
Thank you, baby. Good job. Good job. I'm just switching them around. It's okay.
Orange.
Hey, orange on it. Oh, it's gold. There's like 5 of them back there.
Mm-hmm.
Orange.
Orange.
Thank you.
Can you smile for Mommy? Show me the ball.
Show mommy which one you just had.
Let me see.
Show mommy a green one.
Smile.
Show mommy. Show mommy.
Orange.
Show mommy.
Can you give me a
Show it to
smile?
mommy. Show mommy what you put in there. Shake the screen. You're gonna be so mad.
Can you smile? Can you stand by the Christmas tree and smile? Where are you going?
I think that's enough, sweetheart.
Green.
Hold up.
Green.
Leave a space near Grandma's ornament, the angel, rated eye level, to the over a little bit, because Paps will go with her.
Fill it up, sweetheart.
Orange.
Dump them. Dump it.
Go ahead, you're allowed. Watch out, baby. Watch out. Watch out.
Hit up.
Yeah. Watch out.
Hit up.
Here, bring that to Daddy.